What's good, YouTube? Today I'll be breaking down my favorite gun, my AR15, man. The reason I ain't been posting lately, I just ain't been having the time, so I'm just start dropping like every other two days out the week. So you know, I'm gonna go through that phase. All right. I'm gonna be breaking down my AR15. I'm gonna clean it to another video. So I'm gonna first start by taking these two out. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're like little dots. I'm gonna push those in like so. Take that out. Push the other one down. That's how you disassemble. That's how you partially disassemble it. This is how you take everything off. You pull the lever back. You take that out first. Take that out. I don't know if it's not fully disassembled, but it's a way you can clean out your gun, so you know you don't have no backed up stuff in it. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with the rim oil, and I'm gonna do some stuff with the with some more stuff where I'm gonna clean out this AR15 with. So that's gonna be for another video. So this is how you disassemble and reassemble this AR15. It's greasy right now. See, you're gonna want to get all that stuff out. You feel me? You don't want no dirty ass gun here. Feel me? So bing, how you gonna put it back in? Feel me? You gonna put this. I don't know how I be doing it. I put this in. I'm going to slide it in like that. You gotta find like a little spot. Then you're gonna slide in. Make sure you're doing this right here. Make sure you get that right there. Then you're gonna want to put this in. Slide that in. I hate this part, bro. This part's so fucking stupid. Fuck it, I'm just put these in at the same time. Man, this bitch is really dirty. Oh, that's how you do it. Alright, yeah. Put that in. This bitch gonna go in, man. Oh. Damn. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to tell y'all that shit. So this right here, that right there, it can lock. So if it like this, you want to have this pulled out. I don't know if y'all can see that side. You want to have this pulled out right here, cause if you trying to put your gun in, if you trying to put your gun back together in this like lock like that, it ain't gonna go in. So you gonna pull. Make sure this is pulled out. That's why I got to tell y'all that part. And so you're gonna slide that back in. There you go. There go my baby. See, now this disassembled by itself. So, you know. Alright, so we're gonna line these back up. This how you disassemble and reassemble a AR15. It might not be the fastest way, but it's 2 o'clock in the morning, so you know, I just figure I should do a video right now. So, you know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna have plenty more content on the way, man. Alright, I'm out. Peace. Thank you.